brand new product called Quantum Commissions. The pros, the cons, whether or not it's a good fit for you. And if you stick until the end, I'm going to give you guys a free gift. All this up on Wealth with Rob. Now you might be saying to yourself, what in the world are you doing holding a bottle of Jameson and a baby bottle brush? Well, I'm a little thirsty to be honest, but it has everything to do with how J.K. Dowdle is teaching you in this course to sell products online just like these, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's jump on. So remember that bottle of Jameson whiskey and that baby washer for bottles I showed you earlier? This is exactly what I am talking about. Creating blog posts that are really not blog posts. These are called listicles. These are things that look like blog posts, but really they are sneaky affiliate pages, and all you have to do is put together a sentence or two with some pictures and embed some affiliate links. And this is exactly what he is teaching you inside of Quantum Commissions. These are super simple, super easy to create, and he shows you step by step what it takes to create these. As a matter of fact, there's really 2 steps to this entire process. Here's an example of one that is doing it about whiskey. Look and what I found. It's talking about the history of whiskey, an introduction to whiskey. It's giving you value, and all of a sudden at the bottom you'll see that it has a couple of affiliate links to, what do you know, whiskey. What an amazing concept. And on top of it all, there is so many different ways that you can do this. A little back history on this method. Back in the 2000s, Google put the hammer down on a lot of marketers with the way they ended up doing new ways of ranking websites and things like that. It was really easy back then to rank your site and make some serious cash. I mean, look at all of the money that people were making. $5,000 to $10,000. ClickBank super affiliates were blowing up. But now with this system, Quantum Commissions, the students inside of Quantum Commissions are making some serious cash, as you can see here. Now, this was something that he came up with at a Funnel Hacker Live event last year. He ended up speaking with a well-known guru about this method that he used to do many years back, but he said it didn't work anymore. And all of a sudden, JK, as I know him to be, always has those wheels spinning in his head, and he said, you know what? I have an idea that will make this work again. And he started a test, just a little simple test, and in the first 24 hours he was able to make almost $500. But he didn't stop there. He thought it was a mistake, and he did it again and made another $260 in under 12 hours. And right now, no one else is doing it. And it's extremely easy. It's really fast because you can see profits within 24 hours, and it's so simple since you're only building one simple landing page. Now, if you've had difficulty in the past, I get it. I've been there. It took me nearly 3 years to finally get my grips on affiliate marketing, everything that it has to do with building pages, writing copy, sending emails, building a list. And this requires you to do none of those. You create one simple page and the commissions start coming in. As a matter of fact, it's only 2 simple steps. Find buyers, and he shows you exactly how to do that, and a simple 2-page funnel that you only really build one out of it. And it doesn't matter if you're a WordPress user, a ClickFunnels user, and if you stay until the end, I've got an extremely cool gift for you guys. But this is a complete business that you can start from scratch, whether or not you're a newbie. It does not matter. You don't need to worry about e-commerce. You don't need to worry about building stores or cold calling or offering services and outsourcing or launch jacking. You don't have to worry about any of that. Quantum Commissions is truly a completely different type of system than you've ever seen. And these are just some of the students that are having major success inside of Quantum Commissions. Now, I'm going to go ahead and bring you inside of the members area in just a second to show you exactly what it looks like. Now, as always, JK brings the heat. Inside of the training modules, you'll see it is filled with video content and trainings. The videos that he does and the way he teaches is second to none, in my opinion. One of the best teachers on the internet doing e-education, and he's going to walk you through the entire overview of how this strategy works. He's going to go over with you how to pick that profitable offer. He's going to go over the audience insights. This is one of the secret tools that is free for you to find the right buyer. He's going to show you exactly how to set up that pre-sale page. He's going to walk you through that bridge page. He's going to talk about the email opt-in so that you can continue to promote to people over and over again, even if they don't buy on the first time around. And of course, running that traffic, which is the most important piece. Okay, guys, this is jam-packed with incredible value. Now, if you pick up the front end of this, the bonus I'm going to include are 5 additional styles of listicles or advertorials. I'm going to get some examples. I actually already have them available for you that will be delivered directly inside of your receipt, inside of your Warrior Plus account when you pick this up, so that you can see exactly the different types of advertorials that you can do to pull in these commissions. Now, you always ask me, are there upsells? Well, yes, they are, and you will not be disappointed. Upsell number 1 is his membership class called Inbox, or his membership group, which is the email marketing genius behind J.K. Dowdle. He's going to share with you all of the strategies of the major gurus. He's going to share with you all of the different kinds of sequences that you can run for affiliate marketing, what kind of promotions you can run, how long you should run them, whether it's for low ticket and high ticket offers. I mean, he's going to go through strategies that I've never even heard of, and I'm a copywriter, okay? Now, if you pick up this particular upsell, you're going to get access to my 8-hour private group training course on copywriting, where I share with you all sorts of secrets to get more people to open, more people to read, and more importantly, more people to buy. And this is a high ticket paid course that I'm going to give you absolutely free if you pick up upsell number 1. As far as upsell number 2, this is going to talk about traffic in the most in-depth way possible. And this traffic is no joke. He's going to go through with you the advanced things that only people inside of masterminds get. If you pick this up, upsell number 2, if you pick this up from me, what you're going to get access to is my 30 Days to Profit Quick Start Challenge Facebook group. You'll get lifetime access. This is something that people pay for. This is a monthly membership page that you're going to get access to for life. And just a few testimonials. Oh, the joy. Got a sale late in the day, but not from Facebook. This is from my coaching that I'm giving, weekly trainings provided in here covering all sorts of topics regarding affiliate marketing and making money from home. We have Daryl saying, thank you, Rob Reese, for your superb coaching, mentoring, and support. We have Joe who said, this is my first commission, all because of the training inside of my Facebook group. And that is yours free if you pick up upsell number 2. Now, you guys stuck all the way to the end. I want to give you something as a free gift. Imagine being able to build your own affiliate program,
have people promote for you on your own platform, and build the sales pages, opt-in pages, landing pages, even build the pages for Quantum Commissions with a free, 100% free tool like ClickFunnels. That's going to be yours for free, whether you buy anything or not. The link is going to be in the description below, but make sure you guys get this, if anything, okay? Because this is a premium level tool. You're getting 2 tools in one, and this is yours free due to the COVID-19 crisis situation. Free lifetime account for you just for watching. Now, guys, go ahead, click the button in the description below to pick up your copy of Quantum Commissions today. Get your bonuses, get inside of the group, and we will see you guys later. Take it easy, guys. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Wealth with Rob. I release a video new every single week. I do trainings, I do reviews, and if there's anything that you want reviewed or have a question that you'd like to ask, feel free to put it in the comments section below. Also, if you are having struggles, make sure you put the #1 struggle you're having, and I'll go ahead and make sure that I answer your question. Take it easy, guys. Until next week, love you guys.